Here's the Livewire S2 Del Mar. Like Sportsters, it's meant for local cruising and parking at the pub in style. Livewire is targeting 80 horsepower or more, around 435 pounds, and 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds. You'll go up to 100 miles in the city, much less on the open road. Charging is via Level 1, 120 volt household current, or Level 2, 240 volts like your home dryer. Base models will be available next year for $15,000. All 100 launch edition pre-orders have been sold. And that's a Moto Minute.